Hello, grade 2. In this week's spelling lesson, we will begin Unit 25, Singular and Plural Nouns. This week's spelling list is all about singular and plural nouns. So singular means one, and plural means more than one. And we learned in our English class that sometimes the spelling changes when a singular noun turns into a plural noun. Let's look at some of them. For most words, you will add an S. So dogs, boats. For words that ends with CH, SH, S, X, and Z, you will add ES. So bushes, glasses, axes. For words that ends with consonant and Y, like the word library, you take out the Y and add IES. So here the Y is gone and we have IES. For words that ends with F or FE, like calf and life, you take out the F or FE and add VES. So calf became calves, life became lives. Some words change completely, like child becomes children, goose becomes geese, mouse becomes mice. And some words don't change at all. Words like deer, fish, sheep, moose, and shrimp, words like those, they don't change and they stay the same even though they are plural. For this week's spelling lesson, we are only focusing on the top 3 rules. So pay attention to these rules as we go over the words together. Let's begin. Bench, benches. Box, boxes. So these 2 words are following the ES rule. So if you have CH, SH, X, S, Z, we add ES. Cherry, cherries. Class, classes. The word class ends with an S, so we add ES. The word cherry ends with a Y, so we took out the Y and added IES. Dish, dishes. Family, families. Peach, peaches. Teacher, teachers. Our 2 high-frequency words for this week are tear and working. The word tear could mean tear as in that drop of liquid from your eye, or it could mean tear as in a hole or a rip in your clothing. And they have completely different pronunciation. Tear, tear. Tear, tear. So watch out. The word work may be different for all sorts of jobs. So the work for a police officer will be different from the work of a dancer. Our 2 challenge words are weather and education. We already know weather, but what about education? Education is all about teaching and learning. Let's open up to our work text, page 97. So everyone should be on page 97. For numbers 1 through 4, you're going to write the singular or plural noun for each given word. So that means if the word given to you is a singular noun, then you're going to write the plural noun for that word. If the word is plural noun, then you're going to write down the singular noun. Numbers 5 through 8, you're going to write the singular or plural noun for each picture. So you can look at each picture And if it looks like it's showing a singular form, so if the picture is showing more than one thing, then it would be plural. So you're going to write the plural noun. If the picture is showing one object, that means it is singular. So you're going to write down singular noun. And please don't forget to write your challenge words. On the back page, numbers 1 through 8, you're going to write the plural form for each noun. Please pay careful attention to how the noun ends so that you can add the correct suffix to each noun. For number 9, you're going to write a high frequency word in each blank. And remember that tear or tear is said 2 different ways and has 2 different meanings. So you're going to read the sentence and figure out, is it tear or tear? We also have the other word, which is working. So let's try number 9 together. A blank fell down Amy's cheek. What will fall down on your cheek? It's probably tear. So a tear fell down Amy's cheek. A tear fell down Amy's cheek when she was working outside. So a tear fell down Amy's cheek when she was working outside and got a what in her skirt? Got a tear in her skirt or got a tear in her skirt? It would be tear. So it should look like this. Let's read number 9 together. A tear fell down Amy's cheek when she was working outside and got a tear in her skirt. So remember, although they are spelled the same, they have different meaning and different pronunciation. So watch out when you are saying tear or tear. You have to know which T-E-A-R you're talking about. So that's it for today. See you next time.